AI model, Python program uses random forest plus k-fold cross-validation, k equals 5, to predict stock levels or PO delivery status from January 2025 to December 2026. White heavy checkmark scenario, predicting PO delivery delays. Will generate PO_date, January 2025 to December 2026. Vendor_reliability_score, 0 to 1. Order_quantity. Distance_from_warehouse, km. Expected_delivery_days. Target, delayed, 1 equals delayed, 0 equals on time. Then we'll train a random forest classifier using k-fold cross-validation. K-fold accuracy scores, 1 1. 1 1. 0.5. Average accuracy, 90%. The image titled AI Model, PO Delivery Prediction, 2025 to 2026, illustrates the monthly forecast of purchase order, PO, deliveries for the years 2025 and 2026. This output is generated by a random forest classification model with 5-fold cross-validation, shown using a dark-themed Plotly bar chart. Below is a detailed interpretation for 3 organizational levels. Large orange diamond 1. Top management view, strategic level. Magnifying glass tilted left focus. Business continuity. Strategic sourcing. Vendor risk analysis. Long-term forecasting. Lightbulb interpretation. The graph enables C-level executives, CEO, CFO, COO, to visualize risk patterns, months with higher red bars, delayed equals 1, indicate potential disruptions. Identify supply chain bottlenecks, seasonal trends, example more delays in certain months, hint at external factors like holidays, logistics capacity, or vendor overload. Make strategic decisions. Diversify suppliers with lower delivery risk. Establish long-term SLAs with high reliability vendors. Plan inventory buffers to mitigate predicted delays. Communicate forecasts with stakeholders and investors for transparency in procurement and operational planning. Large blue diamond 2. Middle management view, tactical level. Magnifying glass tilted left focus. Procurement planning. Inventory control. Vendor performance evaluation. Budgeting and cost control. Lightbulb interpretation. For procurement heads and supply chain managers. Use prediction data to prioritize follow UPS with vendors forecasted to delay. Align procurement schedules to ensure stock availability despite predicted delays. Refine vendor evaluation KPIs using actual delivery performance versus model predictions. Integrate with ERP systems for automated alerts and safety stock triggers based on monthly delivery risk. Pushpin example action. March and April 2026 show spikes in predicted delays. Reschedule large orders or switch to alternate vendors to avoid line stoppages. Small blue diamond 3. Operational/execution level view, operational level. Magnifying glass tilted left focus. Daily PO execution. Supplier communication. Warehouse readiness. Last mile coordination. Lightbulb interpretation. The warehouse, logistics, and procurement staff can track high-risk months, example red bars, and preemptively follow up with vendors. Adjust goods receipt scheduling and transportation availability. Communicate more closely with suppliers whose delivery reliability score is low. Improve real-time communication using dashboards based on this model. Pushpin example action. Yellow bars in Jan, APR, July 2025 equals delays likely. Alert warehouse to prep for staggered inbound shipments. White heavy checkmark summary recommendations per layer. Level decision type example use of chart. Top management strategic risk mitigation, vendor strategy, board reporting. Middle management tactical vendor monitoring, ERP planning, budget alignment. Operational team execution PO tracking, warehouse readiness, transport planning. Thank you.